Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Typeform easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Typeform into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Typeform website link in the search results. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can create an account. Here, you can choose to sign up using your Google account or your email address. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your email and password, click on the Get Started button. Typeform may prompt you to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Typeform. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Typeform website. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your name and organization. Fill in the required information and proceed by clicking Continue. Next, you will choose a plan that suits your needs. Select the plan you would like to start with, whether it is free or paid. After selecting your plan, review the terms and conditions. If you agree to the terms, check the box and click Start Free Trial or the corresponding button. You are now logged into your Typeform account. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.